So I guess the selection of the people in the panel was really great. Uh, the panel was from different segments of the industry, be it cosmetics, be it oral. So we had everybody in the panel, and of course the legal regulatory aspect of it. So I guess the panel was brilliant, and the questions that were set out in the panel that were discussed were very relevant today, because in the light of the events that have been happening in the FMCG industry or in the herbal industry, we do see that there is a lot of misconception, lot of doubts around how we should improvise on our products, what should R&D be like. Yeah, so I think that the questions were so relevant that it has to be very out loud to the people, that what industry is actually doing behind the scenes, and they are actually delivering on the promise that they are making to the consumer. So I really feel that clarifying those doubts, making consumers understand that we are really at it, because we have our families out in the world consuming those products as well. So we are ensuring those safety and quality standards, and that is what we have tried to bring in through this forum. So, in the changing scenario today, every innovation needs a partner to execute that and take it to the market. Not everything can be done in house. So, at times you need to depend on valuable partners, experienced people with good kind of technology to deliver that promise to the consumer. So, I guess CMPL has been able to bring people from different geographies together, as who have expertise in different segments, and you can't find that everywhere. So that's very important, and I think it's a very good platform for companies like us to find valuable partners to work with, which are consistent in their quality standards and their promise to the nation to deliver health outcomes to the people out there. So the one message that I would strongly give to the youth out there, and even my young self, is that don't rush into things. Sometimes things take time. Be patient. If you are honest, if you are true to yourself, and you are doing the right thing, then things will happen. Everything will happen at the right time, maybe, but it will happen, because sometimes we really get agitated with the outcomes. Like, even what we were speaking out in the forum was about a personal care product. We become very agitated that this is not performing. Let's stop using this. But everything takes time. Your body also takes time to heal. So even for a product to work, or even for anything to work, it needs time. So you need to give it time, be patient, and be true to your mission. So everything will happen. So you have very rightly put it as CMPA universe, like the Marvel universe. So you have all the superheroes, I think, here, and all the industry stalwarts to really, I would say, the fuel the mission. So yeah, I really guess you have all the right ingredients to just make the right formulation and deliver the right thing to the people out there. Yeah.